Welcome, Monster Truck fans! Today we have 4 trucks attempting to make it to the top of the hill. The hill is known for taking out even the biggest truck. At the top is the prize. Drivers must climb the mountain and touch the orange net in order to win this brand new Earthshaker.
Let's get things started with the one, the only, Gravedigger. He is off to a fast start. Gravedigger is having a little trouble getting on top of this first ridge. He is setting up for another try. Can he do it? Oh no, he has taken a spill. Gravedigger is rolling backwards. That is not going to stop him. He keeps going. What a flip! I thought surely he had it, folks. This might just be it for Gravedigger. I do not think he is going to win Earthshaker today. The truck has come to a stop. You gave it a good run, buddy. Gravedigger gave it a good shot. Now let's see what Megalodon can do. Will he have more luck than Gravedigger? Look at him go! He is just eating up that track. Megalodon just made that look easy. He's nearing the top now. And he has got it. Megalodon is the first truck to the top. A run like that would be hard to beat. That was impressive. Next up, can he do it quicker? It's El Toro Loco. So far, I'd say he is off to a good start. Coming in pretty aggressive here. That is a steep incline. What a flip! What a landing! What a string of luck for our driver here! That close call wasn't enough to slow down this crazy bull. This spot is giving our driver a hard time. Hopefully he doesn't lose it here. The insanity! He is a madman, surely. Nearing the top, getting dangerous. will do it. El Toro Loco will join Megalodon at the top of the hill, though. I do think Megalodon did it faster. What a run! If you're still seated after a performance like that. Our last truck today. Let's see if he's got it. It's game over. Boy, this truck is moving with speed. He's losing it. Oh man, I can't believe what I'm seeing. I suspect that no, there it is. That back left tire is gone. He has a flat tire. Here he comes. And there he goes back down the hill. Game over. Now on two flats, cannot progress any further. We believe we have our winner, the first one to the top of the mountain. Wait, who is that? There are no more trucks to run. Looks like, no it is. It's Wildside, and what is he doing? I'm just being told now, Wildside is to push the loser off of the mountain. El Toro Loco must be holding his brakes. He doesn't want to leave without Earthshaker. Wildside has done it. El Toro Loco has been knocked down. It was a good day here on the hill. Let's go see how Earthshaker plans to celebrate. What's this? Driver of Megalodon has brought his newly won Earthshaker to the high jump. A long ramp to build speed, then straight up as high as he can. We've never seen a monster truck try this. And he's off! Look at him go, boys and girls! I'm gripping my seat! Can he make 40 meters? He's hit 71 meters! Back down he goes! That's got to hurt! Get a tow truck on the line! We need to get Earthshaker to the garage! Ah, there he is! Just in time, and what a good-looking truck that is! He's got that large truck in tight spaces, just inches from the wall! He's backing up now. He will take Earthshaker to get it repaired, hopefully in time for next week's competition. There it is. Nicely done. And there they go! Be sure to come back next week Earthshaker, and 5 other trucks will compete on the high jump to see who can achieve the winning score. What a day! What excitement! I think I'll fetch some rest now. Come back and let's do this again.